So today we're doing an update on the Big Block 429 F-250. And what do we got left? So let's get into it. So we just got it back from the glass shop and it has all the glass in it finally. Yay. I don't have to stress about taking it outside anytime that shows up, which is almost daily this week. And they had a horrible time installing this windshield. They came to the shop, spent 5 hours trying to get it in, and the gasket kept slipping off the glass, so they had to take the glass back and actually glue the gasket onto the windshield, install the moldings, and install it all together. I would have thought that you do the moldings after, but apparently not on the Fords. So they didn't have an easy time with this one, but it's done. Yay. What else we got? Just got new shocks arrived for it. Waited 4 weeks for those things. And we want to paint the shocks to match the calipers and the hydraulic steering shock. So that means all 4 wheels got to come off. Got to do a little brake work on the rear, but I was trying to save labor for the customer and only take the rear wheels off once instead of on and off and on and off and all that kind of stuff. So we got to do shocks, we got to do brakes, paint it all. What else do we have on this thing? Boy, we're really close. Missing a couple of little screws. Oh, we got to paint that part of the bumper. Haven't done that yet. But we are missing a few screws in the front signal light lenses and in the new grills. And then it goes into Eagle Industries for the bed rail caps, and it goes in for keyless entry. That is why we didn't do the door panels yet. Still have to install the speakers and finish hooking up stereo and installing the floor mat. Give it a full detail, but keyless entry and bed rail caps is next. And then this baby's done. Holy, we can actually see the end of this thing finally. And so far, this will be the nicest Ford we've completed. The 49 Ford is right up there with this one, but it's not complete yet. Very proud of this one. Oh yes, we did the whole chassis in Port 15, but there's always a few spots you miss. So once we have the wheels off, we can finalize all that and make sure we didn't miss anything on the frame and suspension. And we get to test drive it. Oh yes, this big thing. I have no idea what we should do with that. Haven't even thought about it. Just noticed it in the video and thought, huh, it looks pretty hideous on this truck. So I don't know what we should do with that thing yet. Probably should match the paint somehow. We'll see what I come up with. But that's your update for the Big Block Ford. And I can hear the Mercedes is inside. The crazy Mercedes is inside right now, getting finished today. So that'll be your next video. The Mercedes is finished. Holy crap, after 2 years, we get to drive it. So you guys have a wonderful weekend. I got something exciting for you next week. We got a surprise coming home. Oh, do we got one coming home next week.